Hey guys, if you're getting the Minecraft error code drowned and having issues signing into your account, you're not alone. This error usually happens when Minecraft has trouble verifying your login with Microsoft servers, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it with a few easy methods. Let's get into it. Step 1. Sign out and back in. The first thing you should try is simply signing out of your Minecraft account and signing back in. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to your profile icon, and select Log Out. Once that's done, close the launcher completely and reopen it. Then, try signing back in with your Microsoft account. If you don't see the option to log out, or it won't let you in, don't worry. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Clear Xbox Identity Provider Token. Click on the Start menu, type Run, and press Enter. In the box that appears, type %appdata%. Click OK, and then click on App Data in the address bar. Go to the local folder, then Packages. Find the folder named Microsoft.Xbox Identity Provider. Open it, then go into AC. Open Token Broker, and delete anything inside this folder. These are cache login tokens, and clearing them helps fix login bugs without breaking anything. Step 3. Adjust DNS settings. Now let's fix your DNS settings. Open Control Panel. Go to Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings from the left-hand menu. Right-click your current connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click Properties, then double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter. Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save and close everything. Step 4. Enable Xbox Services. Search for Services in the Start menu and open it. Now scroll down until you find these Xbox Services: Xbox Accessory Management, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service. Double-click each one, set Startup Type to Automatic, and click Start to make sure they're running. Do this for all 4. Minecraft needs these services to connect properly to your account. Now that you've made all those changes, restart your computer. After rebooting, try launching Minecraft again and log in with your Microsoft account. In most cases, this will fix the issue entirely. If none of that works, open your browser and search for Minecraft server status. Click the official site and check if any Minecraft or Microsoft services are down. If they are, you might just have to wait until the servers are back online. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps helped you fix Minecraft error code drowned. If it did, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more gaming fix tutorials. Still stuck? Drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.